Okay.
Okay now?
Yep. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
We got started late, so it's probably going to be hard.
Greetings, I'm Charles. I'm 55 years old. I'm 6'1" when I'm fully assembled, weigh about 230 pounds. Today I'm going to talk about getting through another set of doors. Now you've already seen me getting through this big heavy door at the beginning of this video. It's totally okay to let somebody else open a door for you. There's a couple of things. They're just trying to be polite, they want to be helpful, and quite frankly there's no good reason for me not to let people be charitable and polite and show some manners towards me. So but now I am going to show you how I make it through a big heavy set of doors like that by myself without somebody helping me out with that. So alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and go through this big heavy set of doors. I'm going to go in on the left side, so I want to position myself so that I can open the door and my wheelchair will be out of the way as I pull it open, and I'm going to pull myself through the door. So this is how I managed to do this.
She thinks you're being rude to you.
I know.